I'm teaching you how to make a origami paper boat. Fold the paper in half like this. See this two parts? Fold the paper over here. But make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos. See, this made a line. Fold the paper like this. See this too? Fold this part here and same on the other side. These are your boats thing, like these are your boats thing that comes up. So now fold this part here. The same thing over here. See, open this flap. Now you will see a paper like this. Fold this part here. Fold this part here. Open this part. See these two? See this and these two? Open those two. Now just and then press. Just press on it. See? Here's your paper boat. Let's see if it can stand. See there, paper boat? See you on my next episode. Bye.